Welcome to NGM Modeling. We are a modeling agency based in the United States of America. If you are interested in being signed as a model, stay tuned until the end and we will let you know how you can submit your portfolio. Before we get started, make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming castings, classes, or announcements. In part 1 of this class, we are covering poses. The first pose is the full frontal pose. You'll stand with your shoulders square to the camera and your face looking directly into the lens. Your arms should be angled instead of hanging straight. This will allow you to either put them in your pocket, a belt loop, or on your waist. A variation of this is to run one of your hands through your hair or to place your hand softly on your cheek. You want to stand in such a way that your body is not perfectly vertical, so pop one of your hips out to create a curve. You can do this with either your legs together or separated. Before switching to a new variation within the pose, make sure you give a serious and a smiling look for each one. Our second pose is the three-quarter pose, where your body is not facing the camera directly, but is slightly angled to one side or the other. In this pose, you should have your feet one in front of the other. This pose also gives you more freedom to look away from the camera and give a profile of your face. Modeling is all about creating angles for the camera, so while you are practicing, make sure you are presenting different angles with each of your poses. Variations of this pose include putting your hands on your waist, angling your elbows with your hands behind your head, and playing with your hair. As with all other poses, don't forget to smile in some of the pictures. Next up, we are posing while sitting in a chair. Many models are afraid of walking into a casting and seeing a chair because they don't know what to do with it. These quick tips will help you be confident in any situation. When posing while sitting, you want to create different angles with your legs. Start with one straight and one angled, or angle both with contrasting angles. You don't want them both straight or angled in the same direction. The variation you can add to any of these is to lean forward while sitting. This will create a pleasing angle between your body and legs and make an excellent shot. Other variations are similar to other poses. You can play with your hair, put a hand on your cheek, or angle your arms to have them on your hips. Your poses should flow from one to the next without hesitation, so practice until you can naturally move through them. Changes in poses should be gradual and not sudden, with each change being as simple as a head tilt, hand placement, or a smile. You can move through these small changes every 3 to 5 seconds and then make larger changes like feet placement or body positioning after 30 seconds to a minute. We move slowly through poses so photographers can tell you when to hold a pose or change a facial expression to match a pose better. Sometimes a slight variation in the pose could make for an incredible image, but if you move too quickly through them, it'll be hard to get the pose back. Make a video of yourself posing and then come back and compare it to what you see here to track your progress. If you'd like to find out more about modeling with our agency, you can get the details at ngmmodeling.com or follow us on Instagram at NGM Modeling. Do you have a favorite pose? Drop us a note in the comments to let us know. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to find out about our upcoming videos, and good luck with your modeling.